What is going on, guys? In this video I'll be reviewing a new project called the Cere network. Alright guys, this Cere network is one of the ERC20 token. You know I love to review these top gems under the ERC network and also on the BSC platform. So one thing you have to remember about this coin, and also remember that I love so much, is data project. Project that has to do with data. I see them as very solid project. Whenever I see data related project, I get really excited. And this particular one has a lot of use cases, so it makes it even more interesting for me to cover this video. Alright, what is Cere network? One of the things you have to realize is that they had their pre-sale, their ICO on the 8th of April. Okay, so they had their ICO on the 8th of April till 15th, and then they also have their initial DEX offering right on the 15th to 16th, and then they also had another initial DEX offering on the 19th of April to the 20th of April. So they basically had three sales, guys. They had three sales on the 19th of April to the 20th. They had three sales, guys. So we're going to understudy this particular project looking at three different points. One of which is the fundamentals. Basically, what does a project do for the people, for the community, and how do they intend to carry out that project, the technology behind it. Number two, we're going to be looking at the team and the tokenomics, or the kind of team members that they have, what is their experience level, what are they capable of doing, and how do they intend to distribute the token amount. And number three, we're going to be looking at the partnership and the community. All right, so let's get into the project and look at the fundamentals and what it has to offer for the community. Anyways, look at it. So as it's clearly stated here from the get-go, you can see that it's saying that it's a decentralized data and finance cloud for enterprises. And then if you go further down, it explains what it does. So Cere's DDC platform is the next generation snowflake. It establishes a more secure first-party data foundation in the cloud by using blockchain identity and data encryption to onboard and segment individual consumer data. Cere makes data directly accessible. Okay, so this is one of the most important points to remember, that accessibility is one thing that this project does. It basically helps to be able to bring data from the outside chain world and then brings it onto the blockchain technology. So accessibility is one thing. Okay, so directly accessible in near real time by all business units, partners, and vendors. The machine learning processes then in turn enable secure and private data collaborations through data's open through Cere's opens data marketplace. All right, let's look further into the project. So it is here to say that if you're unfamiliar with the Cere project, because they have a partnership with Republic as well. So I'm looking at this from the Republic website, republic.co. So it says it's one of the most anticipated projects in the entire blockchain space. Think of the decentralized data cloud platform as a natural evolution of popular data management platforms like Salesforce and Snowflake. Okay, so Cere's blockchain innovations, along with the suite of enterprise SaaS solution, have built in alignment with blockchain platform Polkadot. It's very important to see this. Polkadot to bring clusters of enterprise-focused interoperable network and solutions into the greater blockchain ecosystem. So it is not just about accessibility, there's also interoperability that this particular project brings. So it's not just about accessing the data, okay, the data of enterprises and different networks, but it's also bringing that data and is using it on the platform, the ERC platform, and then there's also interoperability with different platform as well. Okay, so different blockchain platform can actually access it and also operate with it. So there's interoperability. All right, so let's go further into the coin. As you can see here, it works via the SaaS DeFi, and then this is basically like smart contracts. Okay, that has invoices from Cere marketplaces and can be mapped out on the DeFi realm. Okay, now let's go further into the coin. So this is the interoperability that I talked about. So this is the Polkadot ecosystem that it works with, and then it interacts with this by bringing in the data and privacy. It also brings the enterprise and brand specific chains, vertical specific chains. It also brings governance and staking, SaaS and BI marketplaces. And then as you can see, there's RAIN, the DeFi space, Uniswap, the DeFi, Chainlink for interoperability, and then you have the Binance as well. So this is the conglomerate. It's more like the bringing together of the DeFi space and the data world together to be able to communicate and interact with each other. So interoperability. Series A Polkadot inspired next generation distributed network that consists of several modular and interconnected layers. The three-layer I core, one core, with Cere and enterprise chains at the foundation. So you can see it's just telling you all the needed informations that you need to know about this project. So that's it about the fundamentals. We've seen what it does. We've seen the tech that it works with. Now let's go into the team. As you can see, the team, I've looked into it before. The first person we're going to look at is a co-founder. As you can see here, is called Fred. By his stats, we are seeing that he's worked in Silicon Valley. I checked him as well on LinkedIn. You can go check it out if you want to. He co-founded the 50 Cubes and a couple more big gaming company that he did. And then a co-founder as well, he partnered with, is a partner at AU 21. Then this other guy has worked at Twitch and Amazon before. So they have a number of well experienced team that have history with top companies that basically know what they're doing. The tech is doing pretty good, the marketing is doing pretty good, the business aspect of it and the engineering is looking pretty dope as well. So looking at the teams, you're going to realize that now moving from teams to tokenomics, we can see the token distribution right here, and the team that we said about also actually get 18 percentage of the particular project, and then they give 14 percentage to foundation, 6% to advisors. Seed sale gets 4 percentage, private sale gets 16%, and public sale gets 11 percentage. All right. So like I said earlier on, they've had their ICO, initial coin offering. They've had their IDO as well on 3 different exchange platforms, right? And IDO was on PokerStarter and DAO. Okay. So now we're going to be having the token sale on the 3rd of May. So this is one of the top tier coin to look out for in the month of May. All right, so look out for it. So I'm sure it's going to be on one of these 3 platforms, either Republic, DAO Maker, or the Pocket Starter. All right, so that's the the whole analysis of the coin and what it can actually offer. So by the way, I missed out on what we call CRM. I was going to say it earlier on. So CRM is just basically technology. So this is basically a CRM project. The Cere network is basically technology. As you can see, customer relationship management for managing all companies' relationship and interaction with customers and potential customers. When people talk about CRM, they are usually referring to CRM system. Okay, so it deals with data, as you can see here. Okay, it deals with data and the relationship with data and their customers. So that's one of the function. All right, so now let's get into their community. Okay, I last checked it on Telegram. One second, I thought I had opened it before. But anyways, you can go check it out so I don't waste so much of your time. The Telegram community have got about 71,000 people. Okay, so they have a lot of following and voice right now, and so I advise, you never know, this coin can 10x 20x. Of course, this is never a financial advice, so whatever decision you're taking, you take full responsibility for it, and you hold yourself responsible for whatever the outcome results to. Okay, so be on the lookout for this coin in May. It's going to be probably be one of the hot coins to look out for in the month of May. And anyways, guys, this is my YouTube channel. In case you don't know the name, this is called The Broke Millionaire. Closer to millions than ever. We're nearer to million. With every decision we take, we leave the broke status and stay woke to make the million. Anyways, I review low cap cryptocurrencies and do ICO review right before their sale. Recently, I made some videos about some coins. I made a video about Covalence that is going to be launched in about 3 days. I'm going to do a backup video, an update on that in about 2 days. So you should look out for that. You can check Covalent token rather. It's doing pretty well. It's doing amazing well. You can also check the Maychant token. I did a video about it as well. It's doing pretty well as well. So you can look out for this project and a couple other projects as well that I've looked at. So you can be sure to check my channel, leave a comment on what you think about my analysis, and just subscribe as well and turn on the notification button, so we can grow the community together. Anyways, thank you very much, guys. Have a lovely day, morning, day, and evening, wherever it is you are. See you soon. Bye.